What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ford with the ticker symbol F. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we'll take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So I know there was a person asking me if Ford could hit $23, and I'm going to show you guys right now if I believe Ford can go higher from here. So looking at the technicals, it doesn't look good for Ford just because we already had this pop up, and now it looks like we could be seeing a retracement soon. So this is the uptrend right here for Ford, and then prices had a break outside and a move to a new high, as you can see here with this red candle right here back in the 27th of October. It's outside this channel, so that's the break outside, but normally prices just don't reverse from there. We normally go up to retest the highs, and that's exactly what happened, and it went much higher than we thought. I believe Ford was going to reach $20 in my previous video when it was around here back in September, and I'm pretty sure some people found that as a shock because Ford hasn't hit $20 since I believe it was 2001. 2001. So that's almost 2 decades pretty much. Anyway, so let's just zoom up, zoom in a little bit on the chart, and I'm gonna show you guys this measured move that prices made. So this is the first leg up right here, and this is the second leg that prices made up after a little correction, and prices have already met the measured move. So just to break it down for you guys, I do not see Ford continuing higher from here. Is it a possibility? Yes, it's definitely possible, but not probable, just because there are numerous reasons for prices to reverse from here, at least in the short term. So the first reason is that we were inside of a channel and we had a break outside and move to a new high, so that's why we're probably going to see reversal. We already had a measured move up, so prices probably want to pull back first before continuing higher from here. And also we're getting far away from the EMA and overextended. And there's another big reason why I see prices falling back down in the future. So it's this big uptrend channel right here. Let me show you guys that right now. As you can see here, this is the big uptrend channel that Ford was working inside of since March of 2020. Let's make this orange. And I believe this is an accurate channel just because the midline is acting as support and resistance, and we get a lot of touches from it. It looks like prices are respecting it. So I believe this is the uptrend channel for Ford. And just last week we had a massive pop outside, so that's not a good sign. That's kind of like a blow off top. So since we had a break outside of this uptrend channel, that's why I expect us to fall back lower also. So there are numerous reasons telling me that prices can move lower. That doesn't mean we can't get a pop up one more time. It's definitely a possibility. So as you can see here, we had this uptrend channel. Let's make a blue. So we had this blue uptrend channel, and this is the first break outside. So we could get another push higher, just a little bit more, maybe back up to the $21 level, just to stop out the shorts right here, and then roll over. Or we could just do it right now. So those are the two scenarios that can play out. I'll be shocked if this just keeps on going higher and higher from here, up to like the $24 $25 range. It's possible, but as of right now, I'm not seeing it that way on the charts. What I see is there could be a huge reversal coming in the future, especially because there's a lot of technicals lining up telling me that prices are going to be pulling back. So that's everything on the daily chart. As I said before, we had uptrend channel, break outside, move to a new high, and then prices went inside of this little channel right here. But now we have overshot this big orange channel. So that's why I expected to get a break outside on this side, because the market is symmetrical. If we get a break here, I expect to break over here. So that's why I see this reversal coming soon. We also had that measure move up. We're getting far away from the EMA. So at the very least, I expect a pullback down to which target, possibly all the way back down to the $16 level, just because it never tested this breakout right here, and there's a gap right here. So that's where prices could pull back to, and maybe we can get another leg up. But as of right now, I'm more bearish than bullish. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart, and I'm going to show you guys the measured move for Ford. So here is the first leg up, and then there was a two-legged correction, and this is the second leg up right here. So prices could go up a little bit more, like I said, before coming back down. So it looks like this measured move target is right at that high $20 level, high $20.84. So it looks like prices could go up a little bit more and then roll over. And also look how far we are away from the EMA. After I draw this channel on the chart, show you guys right now. This is the daily chart. Daily trend that I showed you earlier. As you can see, it fits the price action very nicely. So, like I said before, we're getting far away from the EMA, and look what happens every time we got far away from the EMA. So this is the third time prices got far away from the EMA, and this is the furthest it has gone from it. So that's why I expect maybe a slow grind back down, or it could be a fast one. So maybe something like this, or just a weak channel going lower like this. But maybe we can get that one more pop up and then roll over. That's what I see happening. So that's pretty much everything I see for Ford. I do like the company overall. It's probably one of my favorite car manufacturers next to Toyota. So I do like it as a company, and I expected prices to go higher, but now it looks like we could be seeing a pullback. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.